know I'm pretty, but I ain't as pretty as a couple of titties.
Ten and 13.
You must have thought it was white boy day. It ain't white boy day, is it?
Oh man, it ain't white boy day.
Torque wrench specifications is Mexican tight. There you go. Before and after. Hit it. Yep.
My balls are tingling. Yeah, my balls are tingling.
There you have it. Switch out stock for a Tab Zombie. Holy shit, it is loud. The little camera that you're listening to on the cell phone, it doesn't do it justice. This thing is super loud. You guys, I gotta recommend it. I'm gonna take it for a ride and I'll let you know later. Camera Commando out.
I'm still a mystery to you. But I know exactly where your white ass is coming from.